Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to download a video file inside your local storage for React Native's new architecture for Android, and then play that downloaded file using Exoplayer Media3. Now this tutorial is only for Android and we will be using new architecture. So firstly I will show you the output. Now I can't able to show it on on real time. That's why I have recorded this, because I use Wi-Fi debugging. My macOS does not support USB debugging for Android, that's why. So here is our application. I am first connected to Wi-Fi, as you can see, and I will open my application. Here I will just simply close it and I will reopen it again. I am connected to my Wi-Fi, and here you can see that I have 4 buttons and I have one video player as well, and the video player starts playing the video. I am passing the video URL for a video which is stored on server. Okay, now I will disable my Wi-Fi connection. I have no data, mobile data connection as well. I will open my app, and as you can see the video is not playing. Okay, so I'm trying to play it but it is not playing. Then I will again connect to Wi-Fi, as you can see over here, and once it is connected, I will immediately click on the download button. Okay, so once the download button is clicked, here you can see the notification for the video is downloading. Then I will click on the pause button. So I have clicked on the pause button, that's why you didn't see the notification. Then I will click on the resume button again, and here you can see the download has started resuming again. So you can play around with it. Now the video is quite big, that's why it is taking a little bit of time, so I'll just fast forward it. Okay, so here the video is downloaded, so the download is complete. And now I will again disable my Wi-Fi connection, and I will click on the play button, and here you can see the video has started playing because it has automatically fetched from our local cache. Now I will again completely close the app just to show you one more time. Again I am not connected to Wi-Fi, but here you can see the video has started automatically playing, because the video knows that okay, the file has been saved. Now I have just click on the remove button, and I will again reopen my app, and here you can see the video has again can't really play because I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. So let's see how to do this. So firstly you should open this documentation, because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. Next I have just created a React Native application. Firstly inside that I have created a folder called RTNMyPlayer. The 4 buttons which you saw, those are also native components. Those are not part of React Native's touchable opacity or text, something like that, because otherwise it becomes very difficult to communicate. That's why I have kept everything inside the native UI component itself. So firstly create a folder called RTNMyPlayer, then inside that create package.json file. Again I have copy pasted everything from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then we really don't need the podspec file because we are not doing it for iOS. Then you can just go to the JS folder, inside that create a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only thing is the UI prop has been changed to this URL, and this name has been changed to RTNMyPlayer. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have firstly created this build.gradle file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this version number has been updated. Compile HDK is 34, min HDK is 24, target HDK is 34, and here I have added bunch of dependencies, so you will have to copy it. So the Exoplayer and Media UI are for playing the video. Then this extension Cornet, this checker framework, and this Media3 data source, these are for downloading the video. And this material, because we have to display one fragment as well, that's why this particular dependency. Then go to src main. Inside main I have created a folder called file called android manifest.xml. so again you will have to copy this, because we want the download to keep on running even if our app is not in foreground. That's why we have to create this service. So just copy paste this code. Then you will have to go to create a folder called res. Now these all things are not part of documentation, and here inside drawable I have taken few icons. So one for the download button, so once the download is completed you can take any icon, and one for this downloading, and this launch background I have just copied it from the main Android folder. I don't think I'm really using this, but if you find an issue you can just copy paste this as well. Okay, then inside layout, firstly you will have to create this particular file. Again, this is part of the boilerplate code. Even I completely don't understand it. I've just copy pasted it from the documentation, so maybe you can do the same. Then I have created another file. Again, this I have copy pasted it, so you can do the same. So you can pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy paste all this code. Okay, then inside values I have created strings.xml. Again, this I have copy pasted it from the documentation. And then there is styles.xml, so we require this particular styles as well, so which you can copy paste it. Okay, then go to values. Okay, so this is done. Then we have to go to java com rtn my player. So firstly I will show you the code which I have copied it from the documentation of React Native. So this one, firstly we have to create this my player package.kt, and here I have added this. Again, everything is copied from docs, only package name has been changed and this name has been changed. Here I have added this @ annotation because this Media3 dependency is still bit unstable at the time of me recording, so that's why I had to add this annotation. Rest everything is copied from docs. Next I have created this my player manager.kt. again, this has been copied from docs, only package name has been changed, this @ unstable API has been added, and everywhere I have written my player over here. As you can see, my player over here as well as over here. And once you set the URL as a prop, we just call the setup player which has been defined it inside my player.kt. So if I show you my player.kt, so firstly these are all the imports which you can copy paste it. I am extending linear layout, and here we are creating our Exoplayer, and these are all the 4 buttons. Here I have created our download manager. I'll show you this file in a bit. Here we get our video URL. Here I have done all the setup code. So layout params, so our linear layout is vertical. Then button layout params, I have assigned it to all buttons. So these are the click listeners for all our buttons. So this is for download button, this is for resume button, this one is for pause, and this one is for remove. So if you want to remove all the saved video files. And here we have created our player view and added it to our linear layout. Then here we are setting up our player, so I'm passing the video URL, and here this is the important part. So cache data source factory. So if the video is already present in your cache, then here you can see we are start playing the video from your cache. But if it is not, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then we can play it from the network. If not, then the video will not play. So this is again boilerplate code for Exoplayer. You don't really need this hide system UI. If you want, you can use it. And this is for releasing our player. So yeah, now I will show you bunch of code which I have just copy pasted. Even I don't understand, so you can do the same. So first create this Java file. Okay, I'll simply scroll through this. Even I am not really good at this. Okay, so just change the package name to whatever you have. Okay, and rest everything should remain the same. So yeah, and here also you will have to change the package name. Okay, so rest everything should remain the same. If you have given same name as me for your folder, then I don't think you will have to change the package name as well. So yeah, this is the first file. Then there is demo util.java. So again, I'll just simply scroll through this. Even I don't understand it. Okay, then there is this download tracker.java, which is quite big. So again, I'll simply scroll through this. Okay, then track selection dialog.java. So again I have copy pasted all these imports. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Next, also inside the main Android folder, let me just quick, so inside your Android manifest, so just a second, we'll just quickly check my player. Okay, so here you will have to go to Android folder, app, src, main, Android manifest.xml. Here you will have to add this bit of code as well, so make sure you add the relevant permissions. Then you will have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project and quickly run this command. Once you do that, you will have to do cd ... it will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command, but here you will have to replace rnapp download video with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp download video over here, as well as over here, and this is the folder name which we have created. So do this. Once this is done, you will have to cd to the main Android folder, and here you have to run this particular command. So this will do code generation for Android. Okay, we really don't need this is for iOS. And now to use it, you can import it something like this, and this is the URL. So the HTTPS URL, make sure you use HTTPS. Otherwise, if you use HTTP, then you might again have to add the use clear text traffic like property inside your Android manifest as well. And this is how I am using it, and if you want to run it, you can use this command. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.